I'll get some videos posted. Have you seen the ones on YouTube?
Hey. Hey.
We have to go to...
Hey.
I can't find it. I can't find that
Hey.
one where you sit.
That's
Okay.
food blowout.
I couldn't find it. I looked for food blowout.
On,
That time.
on YouTube, just type in Bridgman videos, all one word, and it'll pull up all of his videos.
Okay.
We have probably 16 of them out there now, I think.
Okay, I'll have to go look.
And I thought I was emailing them to you, but maybe it was an old email address.
If it's not McMillan anymore, know that.
I thought that's the one I was sending it to. I'll have to check.
Hey,
yeah.
Cash. Hey, Cash.
Yeah, every time I load new ones out there, I just send a quick email out saying there's new ones.
It's better time to find for him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I gotta go.
Alright, well you
We'll
guys
see
be
you
careful
guys.
going
Be
back.
careful.
Thanks for coming. Thanks.
Ready, Kai? I put her with the duck the other day and she was laughing at it. What are you
Because
doing,
if you
dude?
get these, you can put them in your mouth and it tastes so good.